How to add a background image on your PowerPoint presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a background image on your PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, head over to your PowerPoint presentation. After you're there, just select the slide in which you want to add the picture in. Now after you've selected that, simply head over to Insert. It's right besides Home. After you find Pictures, open this up and tap on this device. Now you can simply drag and drop this too. It's completely up to you. After that, select the image and insert it. So after you've inserted the image, you can adjust its size. And after you select the picture, to send it to the background, what you'll need to do is you will see the option right here under picture format. It'll just go to picture format. If you're not there, if you're on home, you will see the picture format here. Tap on it and on the orange section, you will see send backward option. Tap on it and there you go. Now it's on the background. Now you can tap on it multiple times to make sure that it's all the way back. And after you've done that, you've just added a background in your PowerPoint presentation. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.